shot. Don't let him go. Do it. I'm burning. Okay, y'all. I have a leg that was burning asleep. I just made an 11-minute video while we waited on this Tom to come across this field. We got her. I'm not even sure if I got it on video because my back was turning. I was trying to film over my shoulder for Lathan. Are you okay, man? He shot and busted his cheek.
My arm's numb, my legs are numb.
My leg is numb. We're going to go see what we got out here. Oh, man. First turkey.
Come here and look at this. Come here. Come out here.
Caswell County.
Look at this tree. I had to shoot through it. That's why I was shooting on something.
Man.
I had to shoot through that.
Let's see what you got. Oh, man. Oh. I'm an old man. My leg is numb. I'm asleep. You know that tingly feeling? I couldn't move. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Got an old redhead. Yeah, hey.
Is that a Jake?
Yeah, but still, man, look how pretty he is.
Man, I thought that was a Tom.
Hey, that's still, though, man.
Hey, for my first turkey bird,
Heck, yeah.
I'll take it.
Heck, yeah, first turkey, man. Ain't no shame in our game. Oh, yeah. Nice, man. Big old bird.
Yeah.
See them
First
spurs.
That's my first bird.
Oh, yeah. Let's see them spurs.
Old Stoker M3000. Dropped him.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Little Jake, wasn't it?
Big bird. Pretty bird, man.
Thought this was a big Tom, boys.
Got anything to say before we shut her down?
Thank the Lord for the harvest.
Oh, yeah.